Do they always feed people?
Turkey, a country located between East and West, mixing cultures, people, and of course foods. This nation is not only rich in history and sights, but also the painful starting point of my YouTube career.
So, first video.
Now I'm back, but this time I brought backup. My girl Gizem, a local who has Turkish tea running through her veins, will help me navigate this country with 83 million inhabitants. She will make sure I will not die in the crazy traffic and take me deep into the real Turkish culture. Forget kebabs and baklava for tourists, I want to eat like a native.
So good.
Get ready for snacks that are only eaten under special circumstances.
I eat it when I'm drunk.
Me getting close with the Turks. And the grand finale, a meal that just looks weird. Bizarre foods in Turkey, bring it on. Turkey is a travel haven, attracting a record-breaking 52 million visitors in 2019. And it is easy to understand why. Modern amenities paired with Middle Eastern craziness makes Istanbul alone the 8th most visited city in the world. But I'm a traveler, not a tourist. And this show is all about the people and places off the beaten path. So welcome to Ankara, the capital of Turkey, a city that is often overlooked, which makes it just the perfect location to dive deep into the real Turkish food culture.
It's 11 p.m. at night. Normal people would go to bed, but apparently not in Turkey. In Turkey, it's time to eat really good food. Bizarre food at 11 p.m. at night. Let's check it out.
Okay, it's almost midnight.
Yeah.
And there's still like tons of people out.
Yeah.
And why this place? Like, where are we?
Because
why is it?
this is a famous spot to try all of those.
Atatürk Oman Çiftlikçi hosts some of the best night street foods in Ankara. Usually this place is packed throughout the night, attracting people of every age group and social status. Snacks after work or after a night of clubbing? This would be the meeting point.
Place that people usually come when they are drunk and usually in the nights.
Would this be open the whole night?
No, not whole night. Close around 3 or 4 a.m. in the morning.
How do people get here? Because I only see cars.
Yeah, usually they come here by the cars.
Drunk.
And drunk.
Is that why people drive so crazy?
No, that's not true.
It is.
No, when we drink, usually one of the people don't drink, so that will be the driver.
First stop is Çiftlik restaurant, serving our first food, miche. These are mussels stuffed with spiced rice, pine nuts and herbs. It is a popular and common street food snack, sold at all hours, and is normally eaten with lemon juice so that the mussel and rice are not dry and the spices can develop their aroma. But these are not the most important facts.
I eat it when I'm drunk.
Yeah.
Well, we are not drunk. How do I eat it? Tell me.
Okay, so just put some lemon.
Okay. We have rice. We have the mussels.
Yes. Oh yeah.
And then
just eat all of them.
This is so good. Apparently it's a drunk food.
Germany.
Germany. Really?
They know better than you.
Yeah.
Okay, 1, 2, cheers.
So good. Good start. Good start. I love this. Well, is this bizarre food? Because it's amazing food. Quick break between the stops and people are just very, very nice here. It's incredible. We got offered tea. We have a few snacks. Yeah, they made us a little spot here. Just people are very, very generous, and yeah, I'm kind of excited that we here. I'm here trying, this food in the middle of the night. Couldn't be better. Second stop, they brought us tea. People are way too excited that we are here. Chai,
Yeah.
which I love.
This is cockroach and
This is cockroach.
yeah, this is cockroach.
Cockroach consists of lamb or goat intestines. After being chopped or sliced and sprinkled with oregano and red pepper, it is served in a bread, as well as pickled peppers and cucumbers as a side dish.
Okay, so we got cockroach, which sounds like which sounds like cockroach. You know, like what cockroach?
Yeah, I know.
So we have, what is it? Okay, and then
Okay, so if you eat it per week, then you never get cold.
Oh. You too, every week? See me?
Just eat it, try it.
Eat.
We are all curious what are you gonna think about it.
This is so good. Apparently, if I eat this every week, I won't get cold. All the guys are running around without a jacket, so I guess it's true. This is from a sheep,
Yeah.
he said to us.
Yeah.
He made it over there, he has it on a stick, and then he's chopping it really small and just putting it in a bread with some spices, and that's it.
Yes. Yeah, that's it.
And would I always have these snacks with it?
Yeah.
Is this also drunk food?
A little bit. Yeah. We can call it as drunk food.
Okay. Very good. Kippiche?
Kokoreç.
Kokoreç.
Or in shortly, coco.
Coco. Amazing.
To round up the mix of mussels and lamb intestines, we gave my stomach a little break and tried halka tatlisi, a deep-fried dessert.
It's a dessert,
Okay.
not a drunk food.
Not a drunk food.
So good
For once.
actually.
It's like baked, but it's super sweet.
Yeah,
It's like the
so
syrup. When would you eat this?
Well, actually, you can eat it anytime, but it would be better if you eat it at night. And usually, people eat this with tea. Yeah.
So it's like a nice dessert too.
Okay. Awesome.
And people really are so friendly here. So friendly.
Turkish people.
Then it was time for the grand finale, heading to Antik Şırdan to try a dish that everyone in Turkey referred to as one of the weirdest dishes they have.
Okay, it's way past midnight. This is our last stop for the night. We just drove here because this is really good food and apparently it's a really weird, bizarre shape.
Yes, right.
Okay, I don't know what I'm getting, so let's check out this weird, bizarre shape.
Okay, this looks like a male body part. Turkish food at night.
Şırdan, a real delicacy, is made by stuffing the stomach lining of lamb or sheep with a combination of 3 types of chopped meat, pepper, onions, and seasonings. Little did I know at that point that I would share a very special and intimate moment with my waiter.
One more.
Herkese yapmam.
But is it normal that people always get fat here?
Oh, not everyone. Only special ones.
Teşekkür ederim.
Herkese yapmam bak bu güzel.
Teşekkür ediyorum.
Rica ederim.
Do they always feed people?
No, they don't. Only the special
Only the
ones.
special ones, he said.
And you're one of them.
So, this is really interesting. They again really kind to us,
Yeah.
which is incredible. It tastes really good. It tastes really spicy.
Seriously, did
in
you
it.
really like
I
it?
really like it. It's
Oh,
weird.
wow.
The shape is
Okay.
a bit.
Yeah. Awkward. Awesome.
It really is good. It's just weird that he feeds you. I was a bit like. Now the question we're all asking is why does the Turkish one not eat this?
I just don't like it.
It's really good. What a great way to end an amazing night of bizarre night food. He should come back and feed me again.
He's gonna come back.
Oh,
He's
what?
gonna bring another one.
Another one?
Another different type.
Mumbar is a smaller form of stuffed intestines made with mutton, rice, black pepper, salt, and cinnamon, and once again served in a special way.
Teşekkür ederim.
Da rica ederim. Açıyoruz ağzımızı abi.
Special moment. Rice and meat, but it's smaller.
Yeah.
It's very good. It was really good. It's very oily, so it's a bit heavy in the stomach. So luckily they gave me this milk. Ayran, which is fermented milk.
Yes, right.
What a great way to end an amazing night of bizarre night food. I gotta sleep now. I have to sleep now. Why do we have to come here at midnight?
Because we need to try all of those.
But why at midnight?
Oh no!
She told me we have to
Just
go
for
here at
fun.
midnight.